Hello everyone, welcome back to the InfoStreet channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up the SAP Integration Suite in your SAP BTP account. So if you are working with SAP Cloud Technologies, this suite is essential for integrating different systems and services. For this tutorial, we will use the SAP BTP trial account. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free tier account on the SAP website, which will give you the access to the integration suite and other services. Okay, so now let's just head over to our SAP BTP cockpit. Okay, you need to go to your sub account. Now in here, you need to click on Service Marketplace. Search for Integration Suite. Click on it. Okay, now click on Create. So as you can see, a new subscription has been submitted. You just need to click on View Subscription. Okay, so you can see the subscription has been added. So the next step would be to add the integration provisioner role to your user. For this, you need to navigate to the users. Now click on Assign Role Collection. Search for Integration Provisioner. Click on Assign Role Collection. Okay, now we will navigate to Instance and Subscriptions and click on Integration Suite. So as you can see in the Integration Suite, we don't have any capabilities yet. So for this, we need to add some capabilities. For adding, you just need to click on Add Capabilities. Okay, for this demo session, I'll be selecting all the capabilities, but you can select based on your requirement. Okay, now click on Next. Next. Now if you want to enable API Business Up Enterprise, you can enable it, and you can also enable the graph. Now just click on Activate. Okay, so this will take around 15 to 20 minutes to get activated. Okay, for some reason this API management activation has been failed. Okay, no worries, we will just activate it later. For now, let's just click on OK. Okay, so we are not able to see our capabilities. So for this, you need to assign few roles. You need to navigate to users and you need to assign some role. Okay, so click on Assign Role Collection. So you need to assign the roles that you are currently seeing on my screen. Now we will head back to our integration suite. Let me just refresh it. Okay, so as you can see, the design tab is now visible. Now let me again try to activate the API management. Okay, so as you can see, it is now activated. Okay, now we need to go back to the users again. We need to assign some roles. So you need to assign these roles as you can see on my screen. Okay. Now let us just refresh the integration suite. Okay, if it is still not visible, you need to log out from the integration suite and you need to log in again. Okay, so as you can see, now we have all the capabilities here, and now you can just explore all the capabilities and design the integration flow. Yeah, and that's it. You have successfully set up the SAP Integration Suite in your SAP BTP account. Now you can start creating and managing integrations across various systems. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.